Now all you can see on your screen. So this is a typical diagram of a prokaryotic cell. Now if you see it clearly, it shows the different components of a prokaryotic cell. Now if you want to visualize this, as we have seen earlier, the prokaryotic cell structure is mainly divided into two components or two compartments. First is the outer, that we call it as the cell envelope, and the inner one that we have called is the cytoplasm or the protoplasm. Now if you are able to see it in a detail, the cell envelope of a prokaryotic cell particularly shows three different structures. Now what are the three different structures? See, the outermost green one is the capsule, then the blue one is the cell wall, and the innermost green one is the cell membrane. Again, see the cell envelope structure in detail. The outermost is the capsule, the blue one is the cell wall, and the inner green one is the cell membrane. So cell envelope is made up of three different layers. The outer layer, that is capsule, the middle layer is the cell wall, and the inner layer is the cell membrane, or also called as plasma membrane. Now see carefully, the capsule or the most outer layer shows these projections. Now these particular projections are called as fimbriae. Can you see the projections? Not this larger one, these smaller projections. हे जे smaller projections आहेत, they are nothing but the fimbriae or pilus. While it also shows a very large projection, this is known as flagellum. Can you see in detail? So this is the structure of a flagellum. Now see how the flagellum is originated from the cell membrane itself, while the fimbriae, they are originated only from the outermost covering of the cell envelope. Now moving in detail to their functions. So the flagella आहे याचं काम काय आहे तर locomotion. So flagella is not present in all the bacteria or all prokaryotic cells. It is present only those organisms which are motile, or motile organisms are the organisms which shows the presence of flagella. So flagellaचं काम काय आहे? Movement or locomotion. But त्याच्याबरोबर हे जे small projections आहेत, that is fimbriae or pilus, यांचं काम काय आहे तर interactions with the surroundings or with the another cells किंवा clinging म्हणजे support. हे कशाचं काम आहे? ह्या फिम्ब्रेनचं काम आहे. आता याच्या व्यतिरिक्त जर समजा आपण इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर पाहायला गेलो, नाव सी इट क्लिअरफुली, जो ह्या ठिकाणी ब्लू पार्ट आपल्याला दिसतोय हा सगळा काय आहे? सायटोप्लाझम किंवा प्रोटोप्लाझम. नाव इट पर्टिक्युलरली शोज सम थिंग्स. नाव सी विच आर दॅट थिंग्स. हा जो ब्राउन पार्ट आहे, इट इज नथिंग बट इट्स न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल और जेनेटिक मटेरियल विच इज ऑर्गनाइज्ड इन अ थ्रेड लाइक फॉर्म. आणि हा जो थ्रेड लाइक फॉर्म आहे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतोय? इट इज रिगार्डेड ॲज न्यूक्लिओइड. सी वी आर नॉट सीइंग इट अ न्यूक्लियस. म्हणजेच कॅरियॉन म्हणजे काय असतो? न्यूक्लियस असतं किंवा न्यूक्लिअर ऑर्गनायझेशन असतं, जे खूप प्रिमिटिव्ह टाईपमध्ये आहे. म्हणजे फक्त थ्रेड लाईक स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये त्याला आपण त्या सेल्सने ऑर्गनाइज केलेलं आहे, म्हणून त्याला काय नाव दिले आपण इथे? न्यूक्लिओइड. सो देयर इज ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ अ न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन अँड अदर न्यूक्लिअर स्ट्रक्चर्स. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त सायटोप्लाझम मध्ये ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याला दिसत आहेत त्या कोणकोणत्या आहेत तर इथे आपल्याला दिसतील हे जे ब्राउन आहेत हे काय आहेत? रायबोझोम्स आहेत. आणि ह्या ठिकाणी थोडंसं काळजीपूर्वक बघा की हा जो एक थ्रेड आहे याच्यासारखाच कलरचा आहे, म्हणजे हा ही जेनेटिक मटेरियलच आहे, परंतु हा याच्यापेक्षा वेगळा आहे. हा काय आहे? प्लाझ्मिड. लक्षात येते तुम्हाला? इथे एक न्यूक्लिअर मटेरियल आहे, त्याचं जेनेटिक मटेरियल आहे, आणि इथे एक त्याचं न्यूक्लिअर मटेरियल आहे. इट इज न्यूक्लिओइड अँड इट इज प्लाझ्माइड. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त इथे जे काय आहे आपल्याला व्यवस्थित दिसते ते म्हणजे काय आहेत? रायबोझोम्स. दे आर स्प्रेड into that protoplasm and they are not generally attached to any other organelle structures. So see carefully, this is the 3D diagram of a prokaryotic cell showing different components of a prokaryotic cell. I am just recalling it again. As you can see, the capsule, which shows the presence of fimbriae. Again, internal structure is cell wall. Then another one is the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. Then these are the ribosomes. This one is the nucleoid. Here is the plasmid, and this one is the flagellum. If you see the origination of flagellum, you see it will show in detail the basic structure. Now again, there are different compartments of the flagellum, that is the basal motor, shaft and the filament. We are going to study it in detail in the further lectures. So in this 3D diagram, we can see the organization of a flagellum from the prokaryotic cell, while the fimbriae or pili, they originate only from the capsules. So this is the 3D diagram of a prokaryotic cell. Now again, moving in detail to its functional and composition, just take a minute to overview this prokaryotic cell. So again, coming back to the components. Now as you have seen in 3D, I have not shown much components on this diagram, but now as you are familiar with all the structural components, now we will draw the prokaryotic cell again. So this is a prokaryotic cell, as we have seen earlier. It particularly shows 3 different layers. Like this. So this is completely the cell envelope. Which is composed of 3 different layers. And which are the 3 different layers? The outer layer, which is called as glycocalyx. The middle layer is called as cell wall, and the inner layer is called as cell membrane, or to avoid the confusion, we will call it as plasma membrane. Now what are they composed of and what is their function, we will see further. Now the outer membrane or the glycocalyx may show the presence of some small projections or structures which are called as काय म्हणायचं यांना fimbriae or a pilus, or in some bacteria it may show particularly a projection of an structure or a thread-like structure which is called as filament. So this is nothing but flagella. So these are the components which are present on the outer layer or cell envelope of an prokaryotic cell. Now the inner structure shows the presence of some inner foldings अशा प्रकारे, to which the genetic material attached to it. So I am drawing it in the yellow color. So it is a single circular DNA. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दिसतो अजून एक circular DNA, and the presence of some other components like this. We are taking it, if you are able to see it. So these are some other structures basically present there. So what are the structures now? If you consider this, so it shows particularly the inner component, that is outer is cell envelope, and the inner one is the protoplasm, which particularly shows the components like, now this is the extra chromosomal DNA, or called as plasmid. This is the genetic material of the prokaryotic cell, which is organized into a thread-like form called as nucleoid, and these are ribosomes. So, the diagram of a primitive cell or a prokaryotic cell particularly shows the contents as shown in the diagram. The outer is called as cell envelope, which particularly made up of 3 different layers. Outer one is called as glycocalyx, middle one is called as cell wall, and the inner one is called as plasma membrane. While the envelope encloses a collision material known as protoplasm, which consists of the genetic material of the prokaryotes, that is in a thread-like circular DNA, which is called as nucleoid. It also possesses an extra chromosomal DNA known as plasmid, and other inclusion bodies which might include the ribosomes. So these are particularly the 2 main compartments or 2 main components of a primitive or a prokaryotic cell that we are going to see in detail. So the function wise, the cell envelope mainly performs the function of protection of the inner protoplasmic contents, while all the metabolic activities and the genetic material is preserved in the protoplasm. So यांचं कंपोजिशन कसं आहे केमिकल वाइज आणि त्यांचे फंक्शन्स काय आहेत इन डिटेल रिलेटेड टू ऑल द सेल्युलर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये. आजच्या लेक्चरसाठी एवढंच. संध्याकाळी बघायला विसरू नका मॅथ्स आणि फिजिक्सचं लेक्चर. इफ यू आर एन्जॉईंग द लेक्चर, सजेस्ट टू युअर फ्रेंड्स, join Kaizen Adda and enjoy Kaizen Adda. Thank you. This is all for this today's lecture. Thank you.